Hey everyone, welcome to Good Spirits. Today we're making the Painkiller, one of my favorite tiki cocktails. We're gonna start this one in the shaker today. So fill it up with some pebble ice. We're gonna do 1.5 ounces of freshly pressed orange juice. We're gonna do 2 ounces of cream of coconut. Next we have 4 ounces of fresh pineapple juice that I just squeezed myself. I'm gonna add a little bit of lime juice just to give it a little bit more balance. Lastly, what we're gonna do is gonna mix 3 of my favorite rums. First, we have 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea out of Lost Spirits, which is an American-made rum out of Las Vegas, Nevada. The next rum we have here is Diplomatico. This is a Venezuelan rum. And lastly, we have Avua, which is a cachaça out of Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. And then we're gonna pop the top on and give it a shake. You're gonna know it's done when you stop hearing that high-pitched note in the ice. Still getting a little bit, you can hear that? We're gonna shake it until we don't hear that anymore. We're gonna grab our glass, fill it with pebble ice, get our strainer, have some dehydrated lime wheels here. I'm gonna stick those in, and then some pineapple leaves, fresh nutmeg. And lastly, we're gonna grab a cinnamon stick and light. Let's give it a try. Really balanced. It has the coconut cream with the citrus and the nutmeg, cinnamon, all blends together for a really nice balanced tiki drink. This is one of my favorites, so go ahead and try it out. This is my first video, so if you could like it, you could subscribe. That would really help me a lot to grow this channel. I can make more drinks like this for you guys, so go ahead and do that below. Thanks.